Jai Srimannarayana. 57th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yaha sarvatra anabhisnehaha tat prapya subhasubham नाभिनन्दति नद्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Om. Do not feel either attraction or repulsion when involved with or separated from attractive or repulsive objects respectively. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in the 18th chapter, Sri Krishna Paramatma asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a vow to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall not feel either attraction or repulsion when involved with or separated from attractive or repulsive objects respectively. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, Durvasa Mahamuni went to Sri Vaikuntham and praying Srimannarayana like this, Achyuta Ananta Sadipsita Prabho Krutagasam Mavahi Visvabhavana. Ho Varada, Ho Devesa, Ho Bhakta Raksha Vidya Paratantra Manupagade Chakrana Lajvalalan. O Achyuta, O Ananta, O Jagadrakshaka, O Bhakta Janabhishta, O Prabho, I am huge, big sinner. I did big mistake. Please, with your compassion, protect me. O Deva, just by taking your name, just by doing Nama Sankirtana, even who are there in the Narakam can also get moksham. Hey Bhagavan, please forgive me and protect me. Like that, when Durvasa Mahamuni prayed, Paramatma saying like this, O Durvasa, Aham Bhakta Paradhino hi Asvatantraha Ivadvijaha Sadhubhihi. I am not independent, I am dependent. I am totally under custody of my own devotees. చలమున బుద్ధిమంతులగు సాధులు నా హృదయంబు లీల దొంగిలి కొనిపోవుచుండుదురు. The great devotees, they totally steal my heart. They live in my heart. They give up all of their mundane desires and they make my heart as their permanent place. They like me very much and I too like them so much. Like that, Sriman Narayana talking to Durvasa. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 57th sloka. Yes sarvatra anabhisnehaha tattat prapya subhasubham. Nabhinandati nadveshti tasya prajna pratisthita. Yes sarvatra nabhisnehaha tattat prapya subhasubham. Nabhinandati nadveshti tasya prajna pratisthita. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.